Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Calendar for business. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Over here, look at the left sidebar under Other Calendars and click the plus sign. After that, choose Create New Calendar. Then name your calendar and click Create Calendar. After that, go back to the main calendar view and click on a time slot to create a new event. Then give your meeting a clear title. After that, use the Add Guest feature to invite people by entering their email addresses. Then set the location or add a Google Meet link if it's a virtual meeting. After that, add notes or an agenda in the description box. Then, if it's a recurring meeting, set it to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. And finally, click Save. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next